Hi, this is Kurt with Traverse Tool Company. Want to see what I do to keep clutter off of machines? So I have some tools that people commonly put on their lathe or any kind of place they have room, and everything gets in the way, falls on the floor when you need a T-slot cleaner or a wrench. And it's really a problem having all this junk up here. If I'm running the lathe, it could fall off, it could break, especially something as fragile as calipers. We have a solution. A magnetic tool holder goes right on there. Anything magnetic, obviously. And there's everything up and out of the way. Whatever you grab, you take that and everything else stays on. I really like this tool. It's real handy for obvious reasons. The only thing I would not recommend using it for or around is if you're gonna have chips flying around it, steel chips, anything magnetic, it's gonna stick to it. So then it's gonna be a mess when you try to put things back onto it. Something else I'd keep off of it is anything you don't want magnetized. Like I would never put calipers or any other measuring tool on there because there's going to be a little bit of magnetic draw that transfers into the tool. Then when I'm measuring something, I could measure against a chip and it's going to give me a wrong reading. So keep those off, but dumb little things like these that you don't care if it has a little bit of magnetic draw, it works just perfectly. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming tips and tricks. The button's right down here.